Hey guys, Josh for Griffin Air, and wanted to do a video. I'm here at the office. Ashley and I are working hard, getting some warranties registered, and wanted to do a video because while we're here working hard, we've got the supervisor here. So let me show you him. There's the supervisor working hard. Very good job there. And then following suit, here is our new chairman. I guess it's nap time. I would love to say good job to these two. I would love to say that. It's unbelievable. This is the world we're living in now. Thanks for watching. Give us a call, Griffin Air, 804-505-0247. Thank you.